Instagram just roll out a new feature called Request a Community Notes. So I want to show you how to use this new feature. First, open up the Instagram. So for example, this is the post that I want to, and now if you tap on the three lines, so here you will find there is a new Request a Community Note option. So if you tap on Request a Community Notes, so here you will find a pop-up menu. This post is not eligible. You cannot request a community note for this post. So if you see this message, it means that you cannot use this feature right now, because this feature is only available for the USA, and the main objective of this feature is to collaborate with someone. So if someone writes something text on their post, so you can also ask them from the request a community note feature. So this is basically a collaboration based feature which allows you to write something about someone post. So if someone has uploaded some wrong information on their post, so you can also provide some suggestions regarding his post captions. So this is basically a idea to express someone information with the help of this new process. So now if you request someone to correct the information, you can also use here the request community note option. So this is only available for the USA users. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video.